Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Loudly login problems, license and access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing Loudly login problems, specifically related to first, ensure you have an active subscription to the service. Visit the official website and log in to your account. Navigate to the account settings or subscription section. Check the status of your license to confirm it is valid and not expired. If your license is expired, renew it through the provided options. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. After successfully logging in, ensure your software is updated to the latest. Outdated software can lead to access issues. Visit the Support or Download section on the website to find the latest version. Download and install any pending updates. If you continue to face login issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and find the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data, making sure to include cache and cookies. Once cleared, restart your browser and try logging in again. If problems persist, try using a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can hinder access. As a last resort, check the service status page for any ongoing outages. If the service is down, you may need to wait until it is restored. If none of these steps resolve your issue, reach out to customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for faster assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Loudly login problems related to license and access errors effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.